And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Probably scared of half of you half to death already. Yeah, it scared me, Uncle Al. I made rainbow poo. Right. Okay. First thing is we got to talk about the weather. All right. I've been working on my calculations. Okay. Because a lot of you are visual and they don't understand. And I had to use a protractor on this one. Okay, for Texas, for my friend LG, if you're cut the state in half, one side of the state closest to the Mississippi and a little further, as much as Oklahoma covers. I'm sorry about this, kids. From the 3rd and 10th, it's going to get cold. Hopefully only in the 40s. This is throughout the South. This is throughout the South. Florida is kind of hinky because it cuts the state at the border. Under that border, it's going to be about 68 or 70. Above that border, expect for rain, snow, sleet, hail, you name it. It's going to be horrible. And if you're thinking, well, I'm drinking my sweet tea and it's a little cool this morning, you better get something warm. Okay? This is also Mississippi. Now, California and the West, we have about 3 weird zones because of the jet streams heading east is joining up with the other jet stream that's heading west from the Atlantic, and they're going to go, oh boy. All right. Now, remember these fine channels right here. Okay, these people, if they survive, except for Louise in Mosaic Master number 1, he's going to be in Puerto Rico. I wish I was in Puerto Rico right now. I know it's still bad, but and United States is hinky right now. But everybody else, you have to worry and pray for them. Okay? I don't think you have to worry about preparedness, veteran. Got to watch out for the tornadoes. That's in the UK. I'm still working out the numbers for that. Tornadoes in UK. Who would have believed it? And these are my friends right here. Please check out their channels. Yes, Anthony, Palmetto prepared. You might have some cold weather sneaking up on you. All these people right here, including, well, Reed, you're in our area. I think you're in Arizona or New Mexico, so you should be okay. But everybody else, well, it was nice knowing you guys because I figure between the weather patterns on the Mississippi, Missouri, and the Great Lakes in northern Canada, from Hudson Bay down to the Great Lakes, going that way and then chopping off at Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, and Quebec, you're going to have your regular winter, but you're going to have a really, this is going to kill you guys. Let me say, okay? First, real quick, please check out Coursera's channel. He's all right, same as me. Fires are dying down. It's still fire season until the December or the first rains hit, so pray for rain. That's Coursera's channel. Okay, and then we have Galvin of GM Survival, pray for him. And Happy Prepper and Vicky Styles, they're all in the cold zone. So these 3 you want to pray really hard. Steve, a Coursera trainer, he's still okay, so am I. So don't worry about that. Okay. Pray for all these people. Irish Colleen, I'm trying to get the package to you as fast as I can. I have to walk 5 miles to the post office. Okay? Origin and years gone by. Please, I don't know what part of Texas David lives in. But if you're on the part where Oklahoma covers kind of Texas, you're screwed. Okay? I mean, cut the state in half and towards the New Mexico side and towards the side where the big thing is, you're going to be okay. Anything on this side, well, I'm sorry. Sorry, kids, it's going to be a long one. So remember these folks in your prayers. Okay. I think I covered Dana's channel, Biddy Booze, or have it around here someplace. Oh, I'll remember it. Got too many people I got to promote. And we got Huples Cat. Please check him out. Might be his last one. Didn't sound too good. West Wayne Survival. Please check him out. Always does a good video. His last video was great about knives. And don't forget these people right here. Okay. I do check on 274 channels and videos a day. Takes a lot out of old Uncle Al. Okay. Please check them out. Because sometimes they're, especially Urban Grandpa Prepper, I'm always a week behind with them because I don't know what the heck YouTube's doing with these folks. Okay, Kirk, I think is still 3 weeks behind. I'm still trying to figure out. Last one I got was the electrical video on his other channel. Asymmetrical Prepper, I still watch you, but it takes me a longer time to figure out what's going on with asymmetrical preparedness. I'm 3 weeks still behind on him. And I got Pennsylvania Prepper. I'm about a month behind her. Good stock up videos. These folks, please check them out. Okay. And again, Winging It with Irish Coin. I'm sending you all the nice magazines. Read up. It's going to be a long winter. I hope your chickens survive. Heat lamp, not a light bulb. Biddy Booze, homesteading, decor, and more. I'm really sorry, Dana. It's going to be dark and cold. Okay, and you check out everybody here. Prepared Norseman, you wear the patterns really weird. I can't tell if you're going to have either tornadoes or snow. Still working on that. And I know cooking preparedness here in Florida, so don't worry about it. That's a whole different thing. That's part of the tropics that got to work. And don't forget, please, everybody, check out Will Patriot right here. Send him your love and your prayers. And also make sure you check out Modern Refugees, because they're on the I can't think. I think their states got the Mississippi and Missouri rivers. I know Modern Refugees in Michigan, so God bless you. Okay, now these folks right here in cash and gear. AKFAB, we got to get her up to about 500 supporters. You got to get up to Cheryl Hirsch DUI Fund with a car if possible, and 500 supporters. All these people need cash right now, so please help them out. This month I was going to talk about baking staples, but nobody watches my channel, so that's fine. Don't forget, because it is getting colder, you want to get liverwurst. I keep telling this to people, and people who are vegans getting upset, so too bad. Get liverwurst. They're having a run on this. Okay? But Uncle Alan, we don't like liverwurst. You're going to eat it if I have to shove it where the light don't shine. Seriously? Yes. Seriously. Now, if more Democrats eat liverwurst, they had a better chance of getting against Donald Trump. But they don't. They eat that wonderful vegan diet. Okay, are they going to win? No. Are they going to waste money on the impeachment because they're grasping at straws and it's a political hit job, and you think they're going to win? No. Are they going to ever impeach Donald Trump this year? No. Okay. And I'm an odds maker, kids. All right. Be sure you have one of these. Not for germs, but for keep the cold, bitter cold air, especially where Lana lives. EK fast. You have to wear this. Okay? We're not talking about chilly air. We're talking Arctic cold air. So you have to wear one of these all the time, even inside the house. There's a good reason why this, and a lot of people don't understand why Japanese always wearing one of these all the time. Please check out this lady and her family. She just went through a horrible thing with the power outages and fires. This is still going on in California. Not the fires, but the power outages. It's going to last until December. And I think that's all of it for the cardboard. I do want to stress heavily for you people who lives in the Great Lakes and Mississippi and Missouri rivers, have one of these, wear one of these, have some kind of toque, my Canadian friends, okay, a toque, and get some good Arctic gloves. See? Gloves, heavy duty, because you're going to die. Now, California, where me and Steve lives, we're going to be totally fine, so don't worry about us. It's a little cold. And we'll survive. Now, another person was asking a few things. Uncle Alan, what about you're going to die? Well, that's true, but so what? This is the breakdown for Anthony on YouTube. Okay, you have to constantly upload video of good quality. Rule, okay? They don't tell you this. This is the secret rule for constant videos. Your videos must get 1,000 views. Okay, that's 10 minutes worth of you talking, whatever. You must get 1,000 views. Okay? Do not buy this because Google knows about that and they're going to get your butt reamed. Okay, once your channel has 10,000 supporters, YouTube will review your content to ensure it fits their creator policy, okay, which is a hard one, and fits the partnership programming. That's more social justice worker stuff. Both of this. This is for number 2. Number 1 was uploading constant videos. Your always secret rule is 10 minutes, got to get 1,000 views. And it has to be full views. You cannot buy this because Google knows it, the Alphabet Crews knows it, YouTube knows it, the AI knows it. So don't waste your money. Number 3, once you completed the first 2 steps and everything goes through, you have to connect with Adsense, and you will enjoy your 25 to 20% profit. Unless you get, for each video, doesn't matter duration or length, over 1,000 views. Wait, sorry, I missed a few zeros. 100,000 views. That's near impossible, and I think they're nuts. I have to drink a little coffee. Well, that answers your question, Anthony. Now, somebody asked me, Uncle Alan, you wrote down in your notes, what is the top 10 dirtiest cities in America? Well, that's easy. I used to live there for a couple of years. Stockton. Next one, near Steve, of course, their trainers, is Riverside. And same in the valley is Modesto. And Bakersfield is number 2. Number 1 is Fresno, and Uncle Alan is stuck in the middle between those two idiots. Bakersfield has a certain amount of problems, and Fresno has a certain amount of problems. And also, they're the dirtiest, stinkiest, crummiest cities. And everybody else, the other 5, are Midwest or East Coast, mostly on the East Coast, Midwest, and New York, whatever. But they don't even meet the top 5. Top 5 is Fresno, followed by Bakersfield, followed by Modesto, followed by Riverside, followed by Stockton. I'm really happy. I forgot the homeless, Uncle Hunt. New York's been bombing California with homeless, and Gavin Newsom's getting his heat back. This is why Uncle Alan eats a lot of liverwurst. So if you live in California, and Steve says it's a wonderful prepper paradise, take a look. They're bombing us with homeless. So anyway, I gotta quit. This is not a rant. So God bless everybody. Thanks for watching. And if you're people I mentioned on the list, God bless you, and I hope you make it through the 3rd to the 10th. Catch you later. Bye.